Blood.
וואו, צמיד. זה הכי רק בראש, את יכולה? כן. וואי.
It's a pretty good battle for this time of year.
One looks way bigger though.
Is it ritual or
he's got a physical?
No, this is physical. Oh, he just took a good bite. No, this is not ritual. These are like the young pups, the younger bucks or younger seals. They'll. It's more play, but these guys are going for it.
Were those? I mean, have you been out here for a while?
Uh-huh.
Have they both been on the beach for like the last few weeks or so, or is this
No.
like just today?
Not that I've seen.
Okay.
I pulled that one right on there, didn't I?
Actually, no. He chased off the juvenile, and then I didn't even see that one on the beach. Yeah, the juvenile was long gone.
But they're not breaking off. Usually they break off, you know, because they want to use it.
He chased two of them off, and then the other one came from my
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can see there's a puncture wound on that one guy's neck.
Which one? The
I think
bigger
the
one
one
or
to the
the?
outside. I thought I saw
Oh,
it.
the one closer. Okay. Jeez.
This is the size of the teeth that we're using down
So we should break up the fight then. Huh?
You go, girl.
I'll just let them figure this one out.
The lower fighting teeth that they use.
fighting underwater.
I'm surprised that one doesn't just like go back to the beach.
Yeah, forget it.
We'll go back to the beach someday.
He's invested in
Take possession.
Yeah.
We're gonna start a tidal wave.
I wonder, do you think they'll finish this fight in the
It's like only one is. Well, see that ripple that's going out that way?
Oh, that's him.
I don't know.